Hi everyone, it's Ricky from the Mount Gambier Library. Today I'm going to show you how to access many eAudiobooks as well as eBooks directly to your mobile device. So eAudiobooks will allow you to listen to stories and eBooks will allow you to read them. So the app that we're going to go through today is called BorrowBox. So BorrowBox is available both through the Apple Store as well as the Android Play Store. So the very first thing you need to do is install the app and tap to open. The first thing we're going to do is tap Library and search for Mount Gambier Library. At this stage you'll be prompted to put in your library barcode. This is then followed by your PIN. If you're unsure of what your PIN is, please contact the library and we'll be happy to reset it for you. Then sign in. Once you've added these details, you'll be then required to agree to the terms and conditions. The next step is to add your email address, followed by your display name. When you are ready, press Done. At this stage, we'll be presented with some tips. But as we're going through this anyway, we're going to hit skip at the top right hand corner. The first screen that we see is the My Loans page. This is where you access items you have already borrowed. The first thing we're going to look at is the eAudiobooks. To select these, I'm going to press the eAudiobooks option at the bottom of my page. I'm now presented with the collection of eAudiobooks. I'm now free to view the whole collection. I can either scroll up and down the page or use the categories at the top to search what I'm looking for. For this example, I'm going to access Matthew Riley's Area 7. Once I tap on my book, I can select the Borrow option at the bottom right hand side. Follow the prompts to proceed. Once borrowed, I have the option to listen now or keep browsing. As I want to look for other titles, I'm going to select Keep Browsing. When I return to My Loans page, I will now see that title sitting there waiting for me to listen to. I'm going to select an ebook. The first thing I'm going to do is tap on the eBooks option down the bottom of my screen. Using the same methods I did for the audiobooks, I can search through the whole collection and tap on the one that I want to borrow. Alternatively, you can use the search option at the bottom right hand side of the screen to search for a title, author or topic. Now whenever I go back to the My Loans page, I will see both of my titles. I can tap either one to access it or use the return or renew options at the right hand side of the page. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please feel free to contact the library if you need additional help.